Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Hope you're doing great. In this video, I will show you guys how to set up M&S Bank app. So, before continuing, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Now let's get started. First, download the app from Google Play Store. If you have it downloaded already, go ahead and open the app. Once you open the M&S Bank app, you will see a page where you need to accept the privacy and cookies to continue. Once you have read the privacies, go ahead and press Accept All Cookies. After that, now read the terms and conditions of the app. If you're okay with terms and regulations, go ahead and click here and then click here. After that, the app will ask if you have an account or not. If you already have an existing account, press here. And if you don't have an account, press here. If you have clicked yes, you will just need to put in your username, email, and password. Then your M&S app will be ready. And if you've clicked no, the app will bring you to an external browser, and you can just simply make a new account and log in. And that's how easy it is. Hopefully the video helped you out. Thanks for watching.